Yeah, so good morning, guys. It's your boy Buddy, and I'm here concerning the matter trending on TikTok for a few hours now. Um, I'm just here to tell the general public, and particularly to my fashionable uh, and well-respected sister in person of Dr. Mrs. Lizzy Anjorin, popularly known as Yeye. I just want to drop this video just to clear the air. In all sincerity, Yeye is actually somebody that I like. Even before the era of TikTok, before I joined TikTok, maybe like 2 years or so ago, I've always liked her. I've always watched her movies. I like the way she used to act. I like her fashion sense. I like the way she used to come on Instagram those days to sell her business, dancing and all of that. And I love the fact that she's hardworking. So those are the things that I actually liked about her that make me pick up the interest of mimicking her. And I think those things were things that made it so able for me to mimic her perfectly well, like people used to say. But I think in the process of that, in the process of making those mimicking videos, I noticed that some people are trying to sabotage my interest by coming to my comment section to drop hate comments, abuse, and some comment that seems like bullying. And that is actually contrary to my primary intentions of making those videos. Bullying, saying negative things about people is something that I detest. It's something that I frown at. I'm not in support of hate comment, bullying comment, or whatsoever on my page. I'm not in support of that. And you will notice that if you check my comment section, you will see how hard I'm always trying to stand against that. When you drop hate comment, bullying comment, I always come for you and be like, I'm even some people's enemy because of that. And I don't like it. I really do not like it. I was never, even up till now, in support of saying anything negative about people, about their family, their kids, or whatnot. Not to talk of someone that I'm actually mimicking making videos and all of that. So without much stories, I'm sorry for any comment that sounds inappropriate in terms of responses and comment of my followers or fans to you, Yeye, and to probably anyone. I'm taking the full responsibility and I highly regret it. And also, Yeye, if there's anything that I might have done, or probably while making the mimics of you that actually pissed you off, I'm really sorry for that too as well. I also want to beg everyone that's coming to my comment sections to drop comments that you guys should just please, you should stand for peace, you should stand for love. I'm not creating those videos to be part of any fracas. I'm just creating them to make people happy and make some people laugh. So that is the primary essence of my videos. So you guys should stop the hate comments. You guys should stop the bullying comments on my page. Bad comments, negative comments, I'm not going to tolerate it going forward. I'm a peaceful person. I stand for peace. I stand for love. I want to see an atmosphere where there is peace and where there is love. I'm a law-abiding person and I don't like trouble at all. I love my family and I will not come online to come and disrespect anyone's family, all in the name of fame, likes, or followers. I'm not in for that. So I really apologize to you, Dr. Mrs. Lizzy Anjorin, Yeye, for any way you might have felt about the comment. I'm really sorry. And to Florida, beautiful Florida, may God bless you and keep protecting you.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin tí ó wà nínú fídíò yìí tí ó sọ nípa Lizzy Anjorin. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe bẹ̀ wípé kí ó má ṣe bínú o látàrí bí Lizzy Anjorin ṣe sọ wípé ọjọ́ tí ó bá tún mìmíkì òun wípé òun ó gbé fọ́tò ìyá rẹ̀ àti bàbá rẹ̀ wá síta. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe wá rawọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí Lizzy Anjorin àti ọmọ rẹ̀ Florida.
God be with you. To all my fans and lovers, thank you so much and God bless everyone. Thank you, guys.